Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make veg stock for soup. Roast or sauté basic vegetables first to add depth, then cover with cold water and bring to a gentle simmer. Keep the heat low and cook for 45 to 90 minutes to extract flavor without clouding the stock. Finish with a quick cool down, strain into containers, label and date containers for easy use in future meals. In this video, I will show how to make veg stock for soup. Use onion, carrot, and celery as a classic base, then add mushroom stems and halved garlic cloves for umami. Include herb stems and a bay leaf for aromatic complexity, but skip potatoes and beets to keep the stock clear. Adjust salt at the end, not during simmering, and taste before seasoning further to preserve balance. In this video, I will show how to make veg stock for soup. Roast or brown your vegetables briefly to boost sweetness, then cover with cold water and simmer on low to avoid emulsifying fats and clouding the liquid. Skim any foam early and limit cooking to under 2 hours for a clean taste. Cool quickly, strain through a fine sieve, and season later to control final salt levels for your soups and sauces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.